Okay, so this is a 2003 Volkswagen Eurovan Weekender with the Pop-Top, and just wanted to show you, this is a brand new tent right here. That's the three-window brand new tent. The tires are new. This is the so this is my very favorite color in Eurovan campers. It's the beautiful blue color. This van is so nice. It's a 2003 with 106,000 miles on it. It's been really well maintained, recently serviced, no accidents, clean Carfax. Let's take a look at the hatch here and lift up the hatch. Okay, so in case you don't know, the back seat folds down and this is made into a bed, so you can sleep two down below, and then there's two up above as well. You can see you have a really nice table there. As I mentioned, this seat pulls down and it makes into a bed, and you have the jump seats there. Very nice. If you look out here, you could be sitting in the in this camper and looking out over the water here. So you have the nice stereo. It's very nice interior. You're not going to find a rip or a tear or anything like that. And as we go up top here, you see there's the upper bunk there where you can sleep two more up there. This is a very, very nice van. Did I say that already? It's a very nice van. So here's the deal. This is not going to last long, guys. So give us a call today, 425-786-4879.